Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream with heavy cream. Start with cold heavy cream and a chilled bowl, pour measured cream into the bowl, and add a small amount of sugar or sweetener. Whip on medium speed until soft peaks form, then decide if you want stiffer peaks for decorating. Stop early to avoid butter formation and taste as you go to match sweetness to your dessert. Gather simple tools before you begin so the process is smooth and relaxed. Chill your bowl and whisk while you measure cream and sugar and decide whether to add vanilla or other flavorings. Using a chilled metal bowl with a mixer gives faster, more consistent results, but a whisk works fine with elbow grease. Keep an eye on texture as you whip, since timing makes the difference between silky cream and overwhipped clumps. Flavoring whipped cream is easy and fun, and small adjustments can elevate your desserts. Start with pure vanilla for a timeless profile, or try citrus zest for a bright twist that pairs well with fruit. For chocolate desserts, gently fold in sifted cocoa to avoid deflating the cream, and consider a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness. Taste as you go and adjust quickly before the cream reaches stiff peaks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.